just saw the opening clip. I am unboxing the Cajun Lures Catch Club box. I met them at a trade show last month, and if you're new to fishing, any of these boxes are definitely worth getting because it will help you build up your tackle. So let's get into this. That one's a little bit. So and oh, wow, something just fell out of the box. Oh, look. So it is the Catch Club tip of the month, and this month it's on flipping rigs. So basically this tells you some tips to it. So like, put the peg, allow the weight to stay close to the hook when you're doing a flipping rig. Tungsten weights are better because they're smaller than lead weights, so you can feel it better. A flipping hook is usually J-shaped with the shank to hold the lure, with a bait keeper to hold the lure on. And using a snell knot will help pin the tungsten weight to the hook and drive the hook through the plastic, resulting in a better hookup. That's pretty cool. Something that the Matrix box does. As I said, you see the flipping jig here. I realized the camera wasn't on autofocus, so come with a little card. Let's see what else. And ooh, look, come with some 3/8. Some 3/8 ounce. Pretty sure they're tungsten. Yep, tungsten weights. So they're from Kajun Boss. Cajun Boss. Wait, hold on. CajunBoss.com out of Centerville, Louisiana. So vector hooks, flipping hooks. These are 4/0. They come with 5 of them. Some Cajun Lure bobber stoppers. Some Big O Worm Black and Blue by Cajun Lures. Look at that. Be good for dark colored water. Some Bayou Bug Green Pumpkin Craws by Cajun Lures. Some Kraken Craw Okie Craw. They're like a pumpkin top with a bottom is, I don't know what color the bottom is, but it definitely has blue flake in it. They have some more Bayou Bugs. LA 420 color. It's a green with a red flake. And Kraken Craw June Bug colored. That's a, open these because my eyes are playing tricks on me. Oh, so it's like a purple with a blue flake in it. If you're new to fishing, literally, you could go out, if you had just a fishing pole, and make everything on this card with what comes in the bag. I'm definitely going to get some use out of these because in the next couple of weeks, I'll be doing some fishing in the kayak. So, but what's great about these is you get a tons of colors, and these also show you the colors. The box is well worth it. Just in case you're wondering about the difference between the Bayou Bug and the Kraken Craw. Their Bayou Bug looks similar to a water beetle. It's got claws, I guess you could say, with some little paddlers on the side. This has a ton of texture, and on both sides, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's actually riveted in both sides. So that's the Bayou Bug. Now, the Kraken Crawl. Is this a Kraken Crawl? This is a Kraken Crawl. So, the Kraken Crawl, oh look, they're stuck together. So the Kraken Crawl looks like a crawfish. The body, it's solid plastic. I mean, the claws are actually scooped to where they'll catch water when they go. Oh, that's cool. I don't know if y'all be able to see this, but inside their claw there, it has Cajun written on it. That's awesome. But the bottom has little dimples and rivets in it. The top even has little grooves in it. So, and then the big old worm, I'm gonna take one of them out to show y'all. This is the big old worm. This is probably it's a 9-inch worm. Cool. Sure. Y'all look at this. Look at that. A 4-inch worm with a 5-inch tail, because I mean the tail, the ribbon tail is as long as the bait. I mean, be a lot of action in the water, a lot of flare when it comes down. Yeah, I'm gonna get my tank out and probably put this in the tank and just see what it does, because I mean, look at that. That is a huge tail. I'm excited to use them. Definitely gonna use these bugs. I'm actually excited to do the Okie Crawl because I'm gonna show y'all. This is a bayou bug. That's the green pumpkin. This is one of the better colors that we use in our area. Now, what I want to see is, you can see they're almost the same, or they probably are. And in the bottom of this Okie Crawl is, I can't tell if it's just green with heavily blue flake or if it's a different color, but so it'll give that little bit of a difference in it. Like I said, I'm excited to get this box. Can't wait to bust it out. If you like these type of videos, let me know. I'll be getting this box from now on because the Matrix box gives me a lot of Matrix shads, but this box here gives me some creature baits and stuff like that, which I want to get into bass fishing more. If y'all want to see bass fishing videos, let me know. If y'all want to see any other content that I may not do or I've done once and never did again, let me know. If you want to support the channel, at least give it a thumbs up. But even more so, hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our new videos. You'll definitely be seeing these make some appearances in it because, like I said, I'm super excited and I'm starting to lose my voice. That's why I probably don't sound like I'm excited. But, and also go pick up some Vector hooks. You can use their website at vectorhooks.com, or if you just need weights, go to the CajunBoss.com and pick up some of their weights. I'll be leaving the links for the Cajun Boss weights, the Vector hooks, and Cajun Lures in the description below. Y'all go ahead and check it out. If, like I said, if you're new to fishing, this box is the way to go. I mean, I am very impressed with this box. I'm very impressed with this box. It gives you your value worth, and it also gives you a broad assortment of different things. And also, if you're new to fishing, this right here is awesome. Because I've never flipped anything before. I don't bass fish much, and I've never flipped anything before. But guess what? Might be trying this technique in the next few days. I forgot to shoot an outro, so here we go. Go check out Cajun Lures. Go buy a box while you're there. Make sure you hit like and subscribe to this video and turn on them notification bells if you want to see these baits used